Hey guys, Lady Borgia, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? It's BOXYCHARM unboxing time. That's right, and I have once again not looked all month, so I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. So, super fun. Don't forget to come back for my first impressions and look. I did it last month, and guess what? I didn't upload it. I should have. My apologies. But give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. But right now, let's get into it. Okay, are you ready? Let's get this box open. I popped the tape just so I wouldn't be fighting with it on camera. No idea what is in it. So I see, let's see, we have here a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt. Okay, I'm assuming there's some Dr. Brandt in there. We've seen a lot of that lately. And a 10% off Tarte. I probably won't use that because I often get more than that off, and it is eye candy. Oh my, we've gotten a lot bigger. Well, I'm not going to look at that yet. I'm going to dig into the box right away, and the first thing I felt was Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner. So let's see what it is. Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction. Oh great, it's right in the crease so I can't read it. Thank you, BOXYCHARM. Let's see. Is an wait, I can't read. Extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores. Oh, and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. It says it's Angela's favorite. Okay, MSRP $47 for this. Okay, you're getting a little with the retail prices. I think somebody's jacking them up a little. I'm not paying $47 for this. Maybe the full size, but this, no. Okay, I will check it out though. I used the BOXYCHARM, what was that? Pore minimizing or pore whatever primer. I haven't tried the other thing we got months ago though. So let's dig in. What do we have? Looks like brushes. More brushes. Okay, I can deal with brushes. Let's see. They are SL Miss Glam Brush Duo. This brush set is made with pink and lilac love. Okay, I did not know love came in colors. Okay, be transported to a magically glam world by creating a flawless eye look that sparkles as if straight from fairy tale. All right, they're putting a lot on these brushes. I don't know about that. This eyeshadow brush and eye beauty blender are the very best quality eye brushes from SL Miss Glam collection. It's time to channel your inner princess. $38.50. Okay, bullshit. I'm sorry. $38.50 for these two. I'm looking at them. It's saying no. It's not $38.50 for these two. All right. I'm looking at the ferrule. I am going to do a video on how to look at brushes, and I've painted for years. I've been around makeup since, dear God. I mean, they're all right. I'm going to check them out. But okay, I can tell you right here, a very similar brush from an Amazon set 8 million years ago that looks, oh, pretty dim. Actually, it's a little bit nicer of a brush. So, and no, there was no, I don't think the whole thing was, I don't even remember what it cost, but the point is, I don't believe this is $38.50. I think Boxy is starting to mark things up more. Y'all want to pay for that? That's fine. Thank you for the brushes, Boxy. But I will be doing a video to explain how BOXYCHARM works and how they are able to bring these things to you. That is a business thing, but that's a different video. Let's get to the next one. What do we have? What do we have? I feel something. I feel something round. And it is the Brow Gal. All right, cool. Last summer we got the Brow Gal powder trio for eyebrows. It's actually really nice in the summer. The Brow Gal Insta-Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. That's good. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. MSRP $22. Brow Gal Candy. All right, cool. I don't know, $28 might be a little stiff for this, but let me see. Is there a color? I got Instant Light Hair 03, which looks kind of a taupey color. I get so used to doing live streams this month, and my videos were corrupted both last week that I'm forgetting to show you stuff. I'm happy about the color I got. I don't know if there's options, but I'm glad because I do use kind of a taupey color for my eyebrows. Although in the winter, I use soft brown. So, I don't know. Let's go to the next thing. I feel... Ooh, MAC. Lip Tensity Lipstick Rouge à Lèvres. There we go. And it says... Oh, Dionysus. Cool. I love mythology. And we have this brownish color. It is, yeah, I said Dionysus. Hi, you just... Oh, wow. It looks just like the lip cloud that we got months back. I will put that, I know, I can't remember which month it was, but that looks just like this. So we'll have to find out in my first impressions and look video. If it looks the same, I have that one. Let's read about it. Oh, I see there's 3 different colors, or at least there are on here. So, Lip Tensity Lipstick, a brilliant formula that pushes the boundaries of color. Damn, this is some creative stuff. I could write this though. Each lipstick holds intense amounts of pigment, resulting in extreme lip color intensity, clarity, and vibrancy. This luxurious gelled base melts on contact, providing fully saturated color with a satin finish in one stroke. I will be trying it in one stroke. Last month, I tried out those brushes, 1 for the money, 2 to get ready, and then all of a sudden, 1 for the eyeshadow, whatever it was. It's supposed to be 4 lines. Anyway, I tried those in the order that they said to do it, exactly the way they said to do it. Yeah, a little bit weird. But I will try this in one stroke, following the directions, just like I did last month. Maybe I will upload that video anyway. I don't know. So we have gone through and we get to the last thing. Ah, this is familiar. I've seen this. ColourPop Element of Surprise. I actually have seen this because I do have ColourPop things. I don't have this. I did not buy this one. Actually, I have not bought from ColourPop in a while. But it looks like, no sheet. I'm going to have the plastic sheet to keep them neat. So here are the colors. Oh, good. Yeah, I know that's weird that I smell it, but I like that regular chemical smell without adding scents. Although sometimes Tarte has some good scents, and I have to say Too Faced is alright sometimes. I don't know. We'll check it out. I will do a look. I'll probably do multiple looks. But so we've got kind of goldy neutrals with some purple and pink pop of color. I actually would have been really thrilled if it was the Kathleen Lights one. That one's really pretty. I did not get it though because it does remind me of the Saharan palette, but you know what, who cares? I probably get it anyway. So I believe, oh, we got to do this. That's what happens when your videos both get corrupted. Okay, so ColourPop Element of Surprise. I already know how much this costs. I can tell you it's $16. Just about all their palettes like this are $16. They are very cost effective. And actually, every shadow that I've bought from there, both the Super Shocks and the Pan shadows have been really good. So I'm going to assume that that is too. I bought a crap ton of their lipsticks last fall when they had a sale. What was it? Buy 2 get 1 free. I went absolutely bananas on that. So anyway, get a load of this bold beauty. The perfect mix of edgy dramatic with a girly twist and bold pops of color. This baby has you covered for the season. Okay, maybe for somebody on me. Our first palette with all 4 finishes: matte, metallic, satin, and duochrome. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that about that. make it so easy to shake up the scene. All right, well, that is this month eye candy BOXYCHARM. Let me just make sure. I don't think there's anything left. Nope, that's it, guys. That's my BOXYCHARM. So be sure to come back and check for the first look and impression. I won't be doing it tonight. I usually do it right after the box, but you can see I've already done my makeup today. Ooh, I'm loving the highlighter. Anyway, so yeah, you should always be geeking on your own highlighter. So, love you all. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell, because you also don't want to miss my new debut live weekly show interview, You Stories. Everyone Has a Story, which debuts Wednesday the 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern. And my live weekly vlog, which is also Monday or Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern. They go back and forth depending on which day happens. There's a schedule. Check them out. Don't forget to hit the bells. Love you all. Lady Borgia.